Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video we have discussed what is event in Google Analytics, and in this video we will discuss how to create event in Google Analytics. So I want to just give a overview again about the category of Google Analytics events. In Google Analytics there is total 4 types categories of event. Today we will but discuss about how to create custom events. So if we want to create custom events in Google Analytics, then we will go in Google Tag Manager dashboard. You can see this is a Google dashboard, and here I will click on the new tags. So let me say you what is tag. Tag is actually the actions of event that will carry the all information including the event name, and trigger beside this tags you can see trigger. Trigger is the condition when this tag will be fired and data will be sent. So click on new, and you see there is Google Analytics. So if I click on Google Analytics, I can see Google Tag and Google Analytics GA4 event. So I will click on the GA4 event, and here we need a measurement ID. So you already know where to find the measurement ID. If I go in Google Analytics admin, under the data stream, I will find this measurement ID. So I will copy it and put in the measurement ID here. Okay. So what will be custom event name? So actually custom event name is depending on how you want to see the user actions. So if I go in the website, you see here a lot of actions can be we can track as a custom event. So right now I will show you how to track click events. So if I we will track when users will click on this about button, so like this. So when users will click on this about nav button, we will track this as a custom event. Okay, so first we need to know actually what will be our trigger when users actually click on this about button. So let us go back from here and preview. Click on the preview. Now I will connect the website with Tag Assistant. You see my website is connected with Tag Assistant. Now I will click continue. So this is the debug view. You can see under the debug view there is tag, variables, data layer, consent, console. So this is not actually our motive to discuss all of this thing. I will stick with the custom click tracking. If I click on this about nav, then you can see there is a click, and if I see the variable name, you see the click class is elementor item. I will not recommend to click track the click on the condition of click classes because most of the time there is a click class can be used in a different element, so it can be duplicated the event. So you see click element, there is lot of thing, we will not go there, but we see click test. So click test is about, So we can track this one. So we can set a condition when click text is about and click URL will be https www.marvdigital.com/about. So on this condition we will send a event and we can name the event as nav about. Okay, so let us create this event. So we will start from again, click on new tag, then tag configuration, Google Analytics, GA4 event. We will again copy this one, this stream ID, measurement ID here. Then we can name the event as nav about. Okay, so right now we will not send any parameter or user properties, and also there is more setting we will not discuss here. And now our target is to create the trigger. So I will click on here. So we will see there is a lot of other trigger, but that is not actually our target to track nav about. So I will click on plus icon, new trigger, and click here. So what we will do, we will do click. So all elements, sum click, and we can see the click text equals about, and we can set another condition, that is click URL contains so I copy and paste it here. So we are setting multiple conditions, and now we will name this trigger, that is nav about. Then I will save it. If I name it GA4 nav, that is navigation about. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, so our click event tracking is done. Now we'll test it, either our tracking is working or not. So I will click again with the preview. Then continue. Under this click you see GA4 nav about, this tag is fired. So if I see, you see the all condition is meet and the event name is nav underscore about. So if I go in the Google Analytics and see under real-time overview, we should see this nav event. You see the event is already here, and we can see this is the parameter along with this event that is sent it automatically by Google. So this is piece title. You can see lot of data automatically Google Analytics is collecting along with the click. So hope you have understand how to track this click event. But one thing I need to make sure that you have understand regarding this variable. So if you are new about the Google Analytics, so you must make sure that this built-in variable is configured. You see, all of this event is configured. So if not, you just go there, configure, and you see some, just put a tick mark. So all of these built-in variables will be configured, and you will see all of these variables under this section. When you will debug, you can see it. Hope you have understand how to send custom click tracking. By this way, you can track any click, any link click uh, uh, through Google Tag Manager and send the event to Google Analytics. I hope you have liked the video. If you like my video, please subscribe me my channel. I will come back with more advanced level videos on Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, and Meta Business Manager, Facebook Conversion API, server side tracking. So till now, thank you.